Today is Monday and it's the first day of school for the boys. So I just finished working out a little bit and now I'm gonna start making them breakfast. It's 6:30 right now. So I'm gonna start by making them breakfast. That way they have something to eat before they go to school. I'm gonna wake up Jaren in about 30 minutes. Jaren, it's time to get up. It's 7 o'clock. You ready for your first day of school?
Yeah.
All right. So you told me to wake you up at 7 o'clock so you can get ready for school. Now you want to go back to sleep.
Yeah.
You're crazy.
Well, that's what we used to do.
I know, but it's your first day of school. How are your tacos? You like them? What grade are you going to?
4th.
All right. Can you open your eyes?
No. So I'm a little bit tired.
Okay, I'll make your lunch. Almost ready?
Yeah.
You good? Okay, grab your backpack.
I keep forgetting which one's my backpack.
Stand over there.
This is the same place I stand last time.
Yeah. Ready? Scoot back a little. 1, 2, 3. What the heck? Two, open.
Yes, good.
Okay.
Okay, peeps. Today's my first day of school, 4th grade. What is I forgot what I was gonna say.
Seatbelt.
You just stuck there.
You ready for school?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We're at the school right now.
We're at school.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That man, I swear, he always participates.
What do you mean?
Like, every single time. Last year, he participated in the... He was watching the fun run. He was on field day.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, they're supposed to participate.
No, that's just a regular adult. That's not a teacher.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
And he always participates with stuff with his daughter.
Oh, that's nice.
But he doesn't just spend time with his daughter at the school.
He helps out.
Yeah, like he was helping us out at the fun run and stuff. Like he was showing off our marks on the thing.
That's so cool.
And then he was helping us at the what is it called? The field day. And his daughter's not even in our class.
No.
No.
Oh my gosh.
That man, I swear, he likes helping out a lot.
Yeah. Veronica, how are you? Hi. How are you? Good luck. Bye. Good morning.
How are you?
Jersey, good morning.
Good But you can give me a hug.
All right. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
Okay, I love you. Why?
I had no idea. I skipped the whole entire line.
Yeah. No, it's back here. All right. I love you. Have fun. So Jaden called and left his clothes, his football clothes at home. So I'm on my break right now, getting to his school so I can leave him his clothes for practice. How was your first day?
Good.
You're sweating?
Yes.
What took you a long time to walk home?
My teacher, she's near here. So she dropped off the kids there at the last bus like I was talking about. And we did a U-turn to the first bus. She did the same thing. Then we were walking so slow because we had to stay in line order.
Mm-hmm.
And then I finally gave her a fist bump and I left.
So your first day was good?
Yeah. But tiring at the end.
Tiring at the end. Well, you're home now. Let's go
Why
inside.
did you pick me up?
Well, because you usually get home by now.
Oh, you excited to see your brother? You excited to see your brother? Oh, baby. You're good, boy. Come here. Ow. Ow. Oh.
Alright, you guys, I'm going to end the vlog here and we'll see you guys tomorrow.